Hey beauties, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we continue to work with our jacket or coat, name it as you want. This is a jacket without a pattern. In the previous one, we showed you a masterclass on how to make a closed seam on the shoulders and side seams when working with two-layer fabric. This is a completely new method that we have not shown you on our channel before, and in today's video we will show you how to process the corner of the jacket. You will learn how to prepare fabric for handicraft work, how to work with adhesive material and how to iron seams correctly. Processing the corners of a fabric is a delicate and jewelry work and may seem difficult to some of you. But if you become a master at this method, then your sewing skills and the quality of clothes will increase highly. Why do I need a line? When we delaminate a two-layer fabric, there will be more on one side and less on the other. 5-6 millimeters adhesive material. Here is the front of the fabric. Now it lays upside down, 5 to 6 millimeters, and we glue on the front side. We do the same on the other side. There are actually special sewing machines in the market that automatically do this, but we don't have such machines and we don't know where to buy them, so we do everything by hands. I'm sure you don't own it too. Now watch carefully what Natasha is doing and repeat after her. So many people every day text us like, we can never learn how to work as professionally as Natasha, but I promise you, you will learn. We will help you with this. It's our main mission in this channel. Please continue to look closely at Natasha's hands and at her work. Today we're actually working from this angle, and there will be some tips in this video. Now we go to the sewing machine and start sewing by hands. When we learned to make a coat like this, we were all very happy. The work is so delicate and difficult, but promise me you will learn how to do this. As you can see, today we have a non-conversational video because the information is very complex and difficult to explain. You need to carefully look at what Natasha is doing with her magic hands. Very quiet video. It's so unusual for us and for me personally. We show you a small piece and how we work with it. The whole jacket is sewn like this in a circle. We will also work on the sleeves and collar and show you how to work with all the details. Today there is only a corner in the video.
Особенно, конечно, все делает Наташа.
Many videos will be devoted to this jacket because it is difficult to show all the technologies in one video. Two 3 mm in small stitches. It is impossible to be large because the jacket will not look neat and will ruin the entire appearance of the jacket. Natasha will now delete the machine line. We don't need it now.
Потихонечку. Сегодня мы проходим только уголочек.
We have removed the machine stitching, and throughout the jacket we will sew and remove the machine stitch in the same way. If your details are even, then use a wooden ruler. Our clothes must be perfect. Now we will carefully consider the corner that Natasha made. Wait for the next lessons about this jacket and someday you will see a finished jacket. We hope. This is how the corners are made. This is the end of today's lesson. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye!